everyone, thanks for tuning in for another S.E.E.K Science Club video. And today we have a special guest named
Dunn.
And that is my mom, aka Evangelist Dunn. Okay, so I know you're wondering, well, what is it that we're going to do together? We are going to do a DIY, do-it-yourself, mini merry-go-round to talk about centripetal force. Ain't that right, Mom?
Yes, that's right.
All right.
Yay!
Now let's get started.
Step one, open up your kit and take out your material.
That's right, you heard us, so let's go ahead and do just that. Next step, we are going to take loose the different pieces so that we can start to assemble our do-it-yourself merry-go-round. All right, let's do it. Next step, we are going to build the base of our merry-go-round. So you are going to get the short sticks because you have, see, Mom, we got what? Short, long. You're gonna take 4 short sticks, right? And then you also have these little pockets, right?
That's long.
Yeah, the long ones. So we're gonna use the short ones.
Okay.
These right here, yep.
Are these here?
Yep, that's it. And we are going to put these together like a square, and this is going to hold the top and the bottom.
My daughter did all the work and I'm supervising.
All right, okay, she had me working, y'all. So we have the base of the do-it-yourself merry-go-round, and so now we're gonna actually put the top part of the merry-go-round together, okay?
Next step, you need your long pieces.
All right, you heard her. You heard what Sister Dunn said. Long pieces.
This is the long piece.
Okay, and this is the short one. You see the difference? Okay. All right, now we have our little horsies.
The little horses.
We are going to create the centerpiece, right, Mom?
Right.
And when we create the centerpiece, we still have to make sure that our foundation is stable, and we're going to add 2 sticks to the bottom, and we're going to add 1 across just to make sure our merry-go-round does not break down. That rhyme, don't it? Merry-go-round does not break down. Merry-go-round does not break down. Bam. Okay, let's get to it. We're going to use these 2 sticks with the adhesive tape that we have, and we're going to put this on the bottom of our foundation, and then we're going to put 1 going across diagonally at the top. All right. We got to do the one going across. So it's this one. It's going to go across like that. Now we're going to connect the DC motor and create the gear for it to go around and around we go. Okay, so when you create the gear, you want to make sure that you have it stable at the bottom with the orange piece. Then you want to put another orange piece on the inside just to make sure it's stable when it turns. The circle piece at the top with another orange piece, and then you can add another orange piece once you put all the merry-go-rounds on top. Okay, watch me. So next we're gonna go ahead and start with the top part. You have the wooden circle, your seesaws. Now you're gonna make sure you put it together like a sandwich. You're going to put your seesaw on top through the holes, one this way, one that way, and one diagonally. And then you put this on the top and leave some space in between and add another what? Little orange circle.
I'm just supervising.
So it should be free to move, okay? All right, now we're gonna add the motor and the battery, and then we're going to check to make sure it's done. So now we're gonna talk a little bit about centripetal force. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what is centripetal force? The first thing that you need to know is that it's the force that is required for things to go in a circular motion. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to know. Centripetal, base word, center. Hello. The next thing you need to know about centripetal force is actually that force that's traveling outwards from the center of whatever the object or gear or middle piece may be. For example, if you ever played tetherball, where you had to actually hit the ball and it go around and around and around, right, Mom? You played that before?
Yes, I did. Okay.
All
and
right.
I was a champ, too.
You heard it. So it's that force that helps keep things to go in a circular motion from the center. Okay. So I think we're going to test this out and add our motor with our alligator clip and see if this electricity actually works. But we can't forget to add a battery. Okay.
All right.
And then we are going to add this little white thing, which will act as a gear, and we are going to make sure that it is close to the circular piece here to give us that motion to make it spin. And we're going to test it out by adding this on the motor. Okay, we are going to put our DC motor here close to the circular motion, the orange piece. Okay, and then we're going to check it out, but let's see if it actually works first. Okay, so now we know that this DC motor is working. I tested out, I put the battery in here, and now we just need to connect it so this white part is touching the orange part while supervisor makes sure I do it right.
Right.
Okay. All right, Mom, let you do the honors. Squeeze that clip, put it on the DC motor.
Right here.
All right, there we
you
go. So when we're talking about centripetal force, it's the actual circular motion, but the force is away from the centerpiece. And so it keeps the object in the motion circular path. And that's all we have today about centripetal force. You can order this online on our website, and we hope to see you soon in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And together, Mom, we're gonna say bye. Bye.